Oye, güey, ¿sabías que pinche Kid Brothers tiene una track en el Tribe Called Quest, güey? No mames, güey.
I'm so fucking excited,
So I'm a name with a G and that's it, I'm done. Don't believe in luck, but I'm unlucky and young and dumb. And supposedly I'm also full of cum. These girls take me too seriously, I'm doing this for fun and I'm distinguished now. Can't even figure how or why it took so long for these lambs to figure out that I'm on top now with the furry furrowed brows. So how are you now, brown cow? Cause from the cradle to the grave, no fuck was ever gave. No more beard now, got that I am king after shave. And I am king, and I also got a dream to let my name fall upon the chapped lips of the scene. I'm simply just a troubled young bean. Save you from your nightmares, member of the dream team. If I am Ultra Lord, then you are probably Sheen. KB packs a punch to your liver and spleen. Ouch. Try not to walk with a slouch. Lover in the bedroom, romantic on the couch. And I guess I might as well confess the inner workings of my mind are really quite the mess. Cause I'm up with the moon and I'm down with the sun. A lone wolf without fear, man, I'll never fucking run. Even if it's 10 to 1, even if they got a gun, even if them fucking nerds said their phasers to stun. Ahead of the class, though I never went to class. Sounds old school cause I'm a blast from the past. Fuck Dina, man, I'll blast in her ass. Cause Tribe had it, but not KB has got the jazz. Alright faggots, here's your first lesson, so please take a listen to this cursed adolescence. And his presence is a present in second. You get erections cause the beats I'm always wrecking. You think I'm fucking messing? No, I'm not Dave, but of course I'm barbaric. And don't fucking forget it, it's that kid brother Eric. And I'm making up these rhymes, you can call them cosmetics. And I spit so sweet, I swear you end up diabetic. And have you not noticed, got you hooked like a lotus? I'm the opposite of bogus, all you motherfuckers know this. And you're feeling fucking hopeless, my raps are fucking potent like your mother's pussy and face. My flow is so atrocious. So rhymes and beats, I got more than Demi, and I don't think that you're ready. Fuck going slow and steady, speed at 120. It's that Kid Brothers clan, spitting like a frying pan, cause I'm a kid, not a man. The whole population will soon hear what I'm saying. The rest of these rappers will soon start vacating. Lots of imitations, only one sensation. 2 Latino brothers that'll leave you craving for more of this, I am sure. My rhymes are kinda rapey, leaves your anus sore. Not HIV positive, but usually out of it. An everyday thing, cause I'm always on top of it. Croissant my middle, sweet like a Skittle. Perplexing as shit, baby, I'm a riddle. Mi vida loca ensures that I'm a sure shot. Knock you out when I punch you in the boca. Sharp Spanglish, like some fang shit. A punk with some funk, but I'm not rancid. A real rock and roller, occasionally a troller. Geodude picking up and throwing some boulders. Jazzy and swaggy, spoiled so I'm nagging. Poetically, I guess I am rapping. Wish I was napping. See how I'm crapping on all you MCs, you're going, how the fuck this happened? Yeah, we got the jazz, and you got the ass. We're not just the one, baby, we're the halves. We are so sharp like multiple stabs. Got you itching for more, and I just gave you crabs. Blowing up right now like some dynamite. Gonna get lit up, yeah, I just might. Chill way too hard every day and night, cause all day and always feeling alright. And to my brothers in Laredo, you don't stop. To my homies in the Chi, you don't stop. To the kids in the burbs, you don't stop. And to my moms back at home, you don't stop. For a limited time, you don't stop. BTL crew, you don't stop. Chicago hardcore, always on the tip top. And Kid Brothers, we're never gonna fucking stop. Cabrón.